Hello. So this is a lab that we're going to be doing on energy transfer. And the way that I have this set up is this. I've got a car right here. And I'm going to stick that on the balance and show you what the mass of that thing is. But it's pretty herby, fully loaded. It's got all these masses on there, like so. And I've got this detector right here because I've got a motion detector right here to track how fast it's going to be moving, its velocity. And then over here, I've got a force sensor hooked up. And when I push up against here with the plunger, it's going to measure how much force this has to push against this. Now, because of Newton's law, the force that this pushes in will also be the force that the spring is being exerted in. And as you remember, this car here has a spring on the middle of it, like so. And so when I press up against it, it's going to build up elastic energy like this. And then when I shoot this guy out like so, then I'm going to have a transfer to kinetic energy. And so we should be having 100% transition from elastic energy to kinetic energy because this should be a near frictionless surface. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to look at the relationship between the kinetic energy of this guy, the kinetic energy of this moving object, and the velocity that it's traveling measured by the motion detector. And so the way that we're going to have to look at that is through how much force and displacement we're having. So we're going to measure how displaced the spring is, measure the force, and then figure out what the relationship is between the kinetic energy and the velocity. That is the purpose of this lab.